Next
Geneva.
question is, maghihintay ka bang dumating ang forever or hahanapin mo na lang ito?
I prefer to wait for the right person because I always believe that God will give me the right person at the right time. And I know that person is worth the wait.
Ganda.
It's worth the wet. Kaya kailangan basain mo pag nakita mo siya.
Wait.
Ba't mo ako pinabasa? Because it's worth the wet.
Wait.
It's worth the wait.
Doc Al.
Again, I strongly agree. Hindi. I think parang there should be balance with it. Like, you need to wait for the right person. Just like what I said kanina na malungkot naman kung meron ka ng partner if the right one comes along. Pero hindi naman na tayo bumabata eh. And at the same time, if you've waited long enough and you think na parang ready ka na to pursue, like, why not? Diba? So I think there should be balance.
Okay. Sammy?
They said already. I don't know what should I say. Yeah, the right person is coming.
Okay, don't worry. On the third question, you're first to answer, okay? On the third-
Later.
Yeah, thanks. It's a nice idea. I appreciate it.
Are you going to wait for destiny to give you your love or look for it wherever you are?
Look for it.
Look for it.
Yeah.
You will look for it. You will search for love.
Yeah, exactly.
How do you do it?
Maybe online?
Why not? Di ba prangkahan naman? Online. What's your...
Kasi I'm shy person, then so
Okay.
I prefer to be online.
What platform do you use?
IG?
IG. Oh.
IG Ziras.
DM.
Okay, so thank you, Sammy.
You're welcome.
Geneva. Kanina mo ibibigay ang pangalawang green flag?
Two.
Ay! Kay Doc Al. Bakit? Ba't hindi kay 3? Charot!
Parang bilis ni three? Hindi. Two kasi, wala lang. Parang it makes sense what he said.
Oo.
Parang,
Pero natatakot ka sa bilis ni Sammy. Agresibo eh, no?
parang mga 10 babae, kaya na hindi. Sabay-sabay.